Now 75, now 100. Give 100, give 100, give 100 now, bid 100, give 100, give 100. Who give 100 now? 100. Who give 100, give 100, give 100. Who give 100, give 100 now, bid 100. I'll give 100, give 100, give 100. Sold them $75. Buyer two, buyer two. On your plow right there, guys. Nice 4-bottom plow here, guys. This one right here on a good 4-bottom plow here, guys. This one right here on it right there. And what there, guys? That's gonna squeal like crazy. Just a second, guys. All right. Nice 4-bottom plow here, guys. This right here, right there. What give 2, 300? I get 300. Hit it, 3, 3, 3. Hit it, 3, 3, 3. Not 3, not 3. 3, 3. Hit it, 3, not 3, not 300. I get 300. Hit it, 3, 3, 3. Give 100 bucks. On now 100. Give 100. Give 100. Who give 100? Give 100. Give 100. Who give 100? Give 100 now. Bid $100. I'll give 100. Give 100. Give 100. Who give 100? Get $50. Let's go. 50 there. 75. 75. 75. Now 100. Give 100. Now 125 on a 125. On 125 on a 125. On a give 125 on a 125. Who give 125 on a 125? 125. 125. 125. 125. 125. 150 on it. 150. 150. 150. Now 175 on a 175. 175, 175, not 2. 2, 2, 2, between the 2, 2, 2, who 2, 2, 2, give 200, not 200. Give it 2, 2, 2, who 2, 2, 2, not 200. Sold at $175. Buyer number 39. Buyer number 39. That looks like a 39, right? Something like that. All right, here, guys. You got some tire hubs here, guys, on the step. On your step right there, on your tires right here, guys. You have the wheel hubs right there. On the steps and the wheel hubs right here, guys. Here, $25 on them at 25. 25 on them, 25 at 25 at 25 on them, 25, 25. $5 on them, get 5. 5 I got, 10, 10, 10. Who 10, not 12 and a half, 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 $15, 70, 50, not 20, 70, 50, 70, 50. 70, 50 on it, 70, 50, 70, 50, 17, 50. Bought at $15. Buyer 58. Buyer 58.
You want them.
All right, guys, on the semi-mount plow here, guys. This one right here, you got a nice little Oliver right there. On your Oliver semi-mount plow right there, guys. Little 5-bottom right here, guys. This one right here, right there, guys. Under here, right here, guys. And a hammer laying on the plow. Remember, hammers everywhere in this place. Right here, guys. Under there, on this plow right here, right there. You can get $500 or 500. Who get 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, get 500 or 500. Who get 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, get 500 or 500. Get 500. Oh, it'll be all right. I'll get past it here in a second. Get 500. Who get 5, 5, 5, 5, give $100 on it. Let's go. 100 I got, 150, 150, 150, $150 on 150, give 150, 150, 150, 150, $150 on 150, give 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, bought her $100, buyer number 105, 105. Charlie, I didn't even see you. On the cultivator pipe right there, guys. On right here, on the cultivator pipe right there. On the cultivator pipe right here. On this right here, guys. On the here, $50. Look at 25. You get 25, 25, 25, 125, 25, 25, $5. I get 5. 5 I got. 5 I got 5 here. $10. I get 10, 10, 10, 2, 10. 10 I got 15. 15. Now 20, get 20, get 20, get 25, 125, 30, get 30, get 35, 135, got 40. Got 40, now 45, now 50, get 50, get 50, get 50, get 55, 155, not 60. But 60, but 60, but $60, not 60, but 60, but 60. Here goes 60, but 60, but $60, not 60, but 60, but 60. Sold at $55. Buyer 21. Buyer 21. You got an implement wheel right here, guys. On the wheel right there. Get one of the wheel and tire here, guys. And there a couple bucks. Let me get 5. Get 5. Let me get $5. $5. 5. A couple bucks. Let me get $2. Let me get 2. 2. Give $2. $2. 2. $3. Not 3. 3. Give $3. Not 3. Not 3. Sold at $2. Buyer number 56. Buyer 56. On the fencing right here, guys, you got 2 rolls of fencing here. On here, guys, I think 25 on 25. Get 25 on 25, 25, 25, get $5. I get 5. 5 I got, $10, I get 10. 10, 10, 10, hit 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. I got 5 here, 10, I got 15. Get 15, then 20, get 25 on 25, not 25. Get 25 on 25, $25, and a bit 25. Who get 25? Who get 25 on 25, 25, 25? Sold at $20. Buyer number 43. Buyer 43. On the fuel tank here, guys. On the fuel tank. Get $10. I'll get 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. Hit 10, 10, 10. Hit 10, 10, 10. Get $5. I'll get 5. 5, 5, 5, not $5. Get 5, 5, 5. Couple bucks in the fuel tank. Get 2. 2 I had. You heard 2. 3. Not 3. 3. Not 3. Sold at $2. Buyer number 35. On the bed right here, guys, on the truck bed right there. On the flat bed here, guys, on the nice little frame right there. Throw some wood on it, be good to go. On the nice little frame right there, truck frame right here, under here, with there, $50. Give 150 on it. Give 150. 150, 150, 150, 150. Get $50. Let's go. 50 there, 75, now 75, 75, 75. Give it 75, 75, 75. I got 50 here, give $75 on it, 75. Who gets 75, 75, 75, 75, 75? Now 100. Give 100, give 100, give 100, give 100, give 100, give 100. Who give 100, give 100, give 100. Who bid 100, give 100, give 100. Now bid 100, give 100, give 100. Sold her $75. Buyer 21, buyer 21. All right, what do we got over here? On your hoist. On your hoist right here, guys. You get one on that hoist right there. You get one on the hoist right here, guys. But there you get $25. Look at 25. They get 25. 125, 25, 25, 125, 25, 25. They get 25. 125, 25. Get $5 on that hoist. Get 5. I got now $10. Look at 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. They got 15. Now 20, get 20, get 20, get 20, get 20, get 20, get 25. What about 30, get 30, get 30, get 35. Get 35. What 35, 35, 35, what about 35. They get 35. What 35, 35, 35. $30 on it. Buyer 4. Buyer 4. On this wheel right here, guys, get one on that wheel right there, wheel tire here, on this one here, $10 on 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, $5, I get 5. We get 5, 5, 5, we get $5, we get 5, 5. Come on to the wheel and tire, get 2. Get 2, 2, 2. Wheel and tire, you got that tank coming through the mud box. You're buying all 3 of them. You're buying all 3 of them right here, guys. You get $25 on it all, you get 25. You get $5 on it all. 5 I got, $10, I get 10, 10, 3 bits through the Summer's Kingdom. My 10 I got, 15. 15, now 20, get 20, get 20, get 20, get 25, 125, 25. Get 25, 125, 20. Selling all 3 of these, 25. 30. Get 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 30. Sold at $25. Buyer 4. Buyer 4.
Still getting units from that.
All right, guys. I'll tell you what. I'll sell you choice out of the sycamores. Choice out of the sycamores right here, guys. Take this one or this one right here on the sycamores. Choice out of the sycamores right here, guys. Choice out over here. Take okay, $300 a piece. Get 300. $300 a piece. Give $100 a piece. Give 100.
25.
$50 on it. Get 50. Get $50 a piece. Get 50. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Get 70. Give it $70 a piece. 70, 70, 70, 70, 70, 70. Look at 70, 70. Yes? 70, 80. Now 80. Give $80 a piece. 80. Now 90. Give 90. Give 90. Give $90 on 90. Give 90. Give 90. Give 90. Give 90. Give 90. Give 90. Now 100. Give 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 100. Sold them $90 a piece.
Wastewater plant.
Okay.
Supposedly.
Number 4. You want to vote? Takes one. Takes one. Now you're buying this one, guys. Now you're buying this one right here. On this one right here, guys. On this single mower right here, guys. On here, 25. Now 35. You get 35. On a 35, 45, on a 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 55, on a 55, 55, 55. You get 55. On a 50, 55, 65, on a 65. You get 65. On a 65, 65, 65, on a 65. 65, 65, 65, 65 on a 65. 65.
Jeff said I give half.
Sold at $55. Buyer 4. Buyer 4.
I said it wasn't worth enough.
All right, here, guys. Tell you what, I'll tell you choice out of the running gear right here, guys. You get some pipe and some 4x4s on this one right here. Choice out of the running gears right here, guys. Choice out of the running. Brad, is choice okay, or is that too tough? You're keeping up? All right, sorry, I didn't even think about that. We're doing some different clerking today. We're trying out, since you guys know we normally have those big carts that we kind of tough to run through here, so we're trying it on a tablet today. So I'm kind of throwing a wrench in Bradley's plan there. But choice out of these 2 running gears. Choice out of them here, guys. Choice out of the running gears right here, right on there. Get $500. Who's get 500? Who get 5? I get $500 with a 500. Who get 5? I get 2. 50 there. 75. 75. Now 100. Give 100. Give 100. 100 there. Now 125. 125. Now 150. 150 there. Now 175. 175. 175. 175. 175. $175 a piece. I'm gonna give 175. 175. 175. $175 a piece on the running gears. Give 175. 175. $125 a piece. Buyer number, was it 150?
No. It was
150 a piece. Buyer number 66. Which one you want? Times 2. Times 2.
What was that number?
Buyer 66. Took both of them. On the Cultipacker right here, guys. Give it to the Cultipacker right there. On the Cultipacker here, guys. This right here. $100. I'll give 100. Take up 100. Give 150 here. 75. On a 75. 75. 75. 75. Who was 75? On a 75. 75. 75. Now 100. Give 100. Give 100. Give 100. 85. 95. 95. 105. 105. 105. 105. 115. On it. 115. 115. 115. 115. 115. 115. 115. Hold it. $105. Buyer 7. Buyer 7. Sure, that looks like a 7. On right there, guys. On here, guys, on the sprayer. On the sprayer here, guys. A little pull behind sprayer here, guys. Under here, there, get $25, get 25. Take it 25, 125, 25, 25, 125, 25, 25. Get $10 on the sprayer. Get 10, 15, 15, not 20. Get 20, get 25, 125, 25, 25, 125. Get 25, 25, 25. Get 25, 125, 25, 25. Sold at $20. Buyer number 105. 105, 105. On some duals over here, guys. On some duals. On some snap-on duels, give one of the snap-on duels here, guys. On the snap-on run right here. If one of this set right here, guys, here we'll take it $25, we'll take it 25. Take it 25, under 25, 25, 25, get 25. Get $5 from this set. 5 I got, $10 on it, get 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, tip it 10, 10, 10, tip it 10, 10, 10, tip it 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Shoulder $5. Buyer 39, buyer 39. Now you're buying all three of these. You guys are your bolt-on duels right there. On the bolt-ons right here, guys. On this over here, you're buying a pair, all three of them right there. You're buying all three of them right here, guys. Get $25 on them all. Get 25. These are $25 on them all. Get 25 on them. 25, 25, $25 on all three of them. Get 25. Get $10 on all three. Get 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Get $5 on all three of them. Get 5. Get 5, $5 on them. 5. Couple bucks. All three of your bolt-on duels. One I got $2 on number 2. Bottom of buck. Buyer 24.
John Deere, but
Right here, guys.
What's wheeling it?
How about this? We'll sell just the John Deere. We'll sell them separate. What's an olive wheel? John Deere. I'll sell them separate. Yeah. On the John Deere baler right here, guys. On the John Deere baler here. On the baler right here. Get one on this right here, guys. Right there. We'll get 500. Get 500. Who get 5? 500. Get $500 on 500. Who get 5? 500. Get 500 on it. Who get 5? 500. Get a couple $100 on it. Get 200. Give it 2.
$5.
How much?
$5. Corner run.
Try 10. 50 I got, 75. Now 75, on 75. I got 75, now 100. Give 100, give 100, give 100, give 100, give 100, there, now 125. 125, now 150 on it, give 150. 150 there, now 175 on it, 175 on 2. 200 on it, 200 on it. Give it 200 on 200 there, 225. I get 225 on it, 225 on it, 225. Give it 225 on it, get 225 on it, 225 on it, 225. Sold her $200. What's your number? 51. Buyer 5-1.
First one.
Now the Oliver right here, guys. On the Oliver baler here. On the Oliver baler here, guys. This one here, on this one here. Get 500 on this one. Get 500. Who get 5? Give $100 on it. Give 100. Who give 100? Give 100. Give 100 now. Bet 100. Give 100. Give 100. Who give 100? Give 100. Give $100. I'll give 100. Who bet 100? Give 100. Give 100. Get $50 on it. Get 50. Who get 50? Get 50. Get $50 on the Oliver baler. Get 50. Who get 25? Now 50. Who get 50? Get 50. Get $50 on it. 75 on it. 75. Now 100. Give 100. Give 100 there. Now 125 on it. 125 now 150 on it. Give 150. 150. Sold at $125, same way. Buyer 51. Buyer 5-1.
Weights are worth more than the whole.
And I got 20, get 30, get 30, get 40, get 40, get 40, get 50, get 50, get 50, get 50, get 60, get 70, get 70, get 70. Now 70, now 70, now 80, get 80, 100 there, now 125, now 125. 125, now 125, 125, 125, now 150. 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, 150, 150. Sold at $125. Buyer number 4. Buyer number 4.